Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello, adventurers. In this video, I will explain how to play modded Skyrim on PC, transforming your game into a truly unique experience. Modding can dramatically enhance your journey, offering stunning visual overhauls, entirely new lands to explore, and fresh gameplay mechanics. It might seem daunting at first, but with the right approach and a few essential tools, you can achieve a stable and incredibly personalized game. We will walk through each step to ensure your modding adventure is successful and enjoyable. To begin your modding journey, you will need a few essential tools. Mod Organizer 2, often called MO2, is highly recommended. It uses a virtual file system, keeping your game directory clean. Skyrim Script Extender, or SKSE, is crucial for many elaborate mods that add new scripts and functionalities. You will also need Loot, the load order optimization tool, to automatically sort your mods for optimal performance and fewer conflicts. Finally, ensure you have 7-zip installed to extract mod archives. First, ensure you have a completely clean installation of Skyrim. Next, install Mod Organizer 2 and set it up for your game version. Then, install SKSE by extracting its contents directly into your main Skyrim game directory, where the game's executable is located. When downloading mods from Nexus Mods, always choose the Mod Manager download option. Once downloaded, activate the mods within Mod Organizer 2's left pane. Finally, run Loot to automatically sort your plugin load order, which is critical for game stability. After installing mods, it is crucial to test your game regularly. Launch Skyrim after every few mod installations to catch any issues early. Common problems include game crashes, visual glitches such as purple faces on characters, or missing textures. Tools like Xedit can help you identify and resolve conflicts between mods. Always thoroughly read each mod's description page for specific requirements and known incompatibilities. If your game crashes, systematically disable your most recent mods one by one to isolate the problematic file and find a solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.